Hey, I was working last night at this end of the edge banding machine, and we were putting on, we use this really cool hanging bracket for hanging all of our closet systems. And so let me show you the process here, and let me show you my improvements. So you might have seen this setup in a previous video, but basically we built this here so that we can slide that vertical in here and hold it upright while we drill and screw into it. And these improvements here were just, hey, we needed to be able to reach in and grab it, and so we added that. Now, I had some employees that their improvements were to unimprove it, and they moved the drills over here. So instead of it being right where you needed it, you had to go over here and reach around and do all this extra motion. So we put that back. Now, we use this little jig right here, and it's on a magnet. The problem is, it's always, I've never figured it out. There's always movement with it. So let me show you my improvement on this today. Okay, I'm all done with my improvement now. So my jig is right here. So I'm coming over, I got my panel in here. I pick the jig up, it drops into place in the same orientation that it was. I grab my drill, put it back. Everything right there where I need it, quick and easy. No, I've removed the struggle that I had before. When it was over here, it's like I had to rotate it, which end went up. Sometimes it would be this way, sometimes it would this way. Now, boom, goes right there, and then we load right into our box. Okay, recognizing struggle. So on our bucket lids, we had the screw off lids. Take them off, screw them back on, keeps the dust out of the glue. Is what I found with them is I got tired of the screwing it in, screwing it out, the struggle that was involved in it. And then we took the hot glue pad out and set it on top of it, and that ruined it anyways. So we went to the cheap lid. So I was having a little bit of struggle. I put a handle on it. The problem is I have the lid and this lid, and I wouldn't want to just set it down. So we put a magnet and a handle on it. So now when I pull it off, there, right there, easy to reach, super simple. And then I bought one of these off of Amazon years ago. I'll put a link in the description. Works really, really great. So I pull, oops, set that off. I'm doing this one-handed, so I normally don't do it this way. And then nice, comfortable, ergonomic. There you have it.